This one tip can save you time and money as a homeowner. If you've got uneven concrete, whether it's a driveway, patio, or sidewalk, you might think replacement is the only option. But what if I told you that there's a faster, more affordable fix? Let's talk about why concrete lifting is the better choice. Full concrete replacement is expensive, not just for the new slab, but also for labor and removal. Lifting, on the other hand, can be a fraction of the cost. Plus, no demolition, no mess, and no waiting days for the concrete to cure. Most jobs are done in just a few hours. So how does it work? There are a few different methods to lift concrete like mud or slab jacking, but polyfoam injections are the best option. A technician drills small holes in the sunken slab and injects polyurethane foam underneath. This foam expands, lifting the concrete back into place. The result? A stable, level surface without tearing everything out. Leveling restores the look of your driveway, patio, or walkway, giving your property a fresh and even finish that boosts curb appeal. But the benefits aren't just skin deep. Evening out your concrete also eliminates tripping hazards, making your home safer. Worried about your car's suspension pulling in and out of your uneven driveway? Leveling with polyfoam can smooth that right out. A professional lifting job doesn't just fix the problem, it helps prevent future sinking. Voids in the soil under the concrete are the #1 culprit behind cracks or sinking. By filling those voids with durable foam, you're addressing the root cause of the damage. By handling soil issues and ensuring proper drainage, you get a long-term solution that keeps your concrete level for years to come. Replacing concrete is expensive, messy, and time-consuming. If your concrete is sinking or uneven, don't replace it, lift it. So with everything you know, would you replace or repair? Let us know in the comments.